Hey guys, so I'm the one that created that the blue dumpling video, and today guys, I'm just gonna show you my collection. So first, we got a tie-dye glitter tiny dumpling. Then we got my original blue. Then I got my tie-dye bear. I got my Dumbo duck. And I got my jelly and my jello. It smells too. You can smell it. I got bazooka gum. Also smells. I got my orange. And I got my gingerbread. I also have more. So if you want us part 2, like and subscribe. Bye.